Hey everyone, welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest updates. Now, let's dive into today's exciting news. Breaking news for all education enthusiasts. The University of Cape Coast, in collaboration with the Ministry of Education and the Ghana National Association of Teachers, GNAT, is opening its admission portal for the 2024-2025 UCC Sandwich program. This is an excellent opportunity for those looking to upgrade their diploma in basic education to a degree status through a 3-semester Bachelor of Education program. The 7th cohort is set to commence in April 2024. This program is specifically designed for Diploma in Basic Education (DBE) holders. If that's you, this is your chance to take the next step in your academic journey. So, where can you apply? Head over to the link, https://www.topup.ucc.edu.gh, to submit your application. Make sure to mark your calendars because the application portal opens soon. But wait, there's a deadline. The application window closes on March 31, 2024. So, make sure to submit your applications on time and secure your spot in Cohort 7. Now, let's dive into some vital information. Qualified applicants will be automatically enrolled in their chosen program. The mode of teaching will include a mix of online and traditional face-to-face classes. To participate, all eligible students need a smartphone, tablet, or any device that connects to the internet. It's crucial to note that only those who have passed the Diploma in Basic Education examinations or possess the DBE certificate are eligible to fill out the online application form. Good news, there's no application fee required. Now, let's explore the programs on offer. You can choose from B.Ed. Post-Diploma, in Early Childhood Education, Primary Education, and Junior High School, JHS, Education. 3. Applicants are required to upload certified copies of academic certificates and transcripts. Inquiries call 0303956523, 0535560996, 0535410424. The choice is yours. When it comes to study centers, apart from the Early Childhood Education program, applicants for primary and JHS programs should select centers based on their corresponding elective subjects. And there you have it, folks. The 2024-2025 UCC Sandwich admission portal is open, and your opportunity awaits. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out using the provided contact numbers. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your education. Until next time, this is Jhuxtello iTech signing off. Stay curious and keep learning.